guys, Assalamualaikum one friends, back again with us from One Student Voice. Dare to speak, dare to create. Today is Saturday, January 31st, 2026. We are reporting live from Purwok, Tokyo. That's right, the atmosphere here is amazing. Hundreds of people have gathered for a healthy fun walk and a very special event, the grand opening of Al-Haq Mosque.
As the region was unable to attend in person, the grand opening of Al-Haq Mosque was represented by Mr. Arif Trianto Esos, MH, the expert staff to the region for community and welfare affairs. Nevertheless, full support and warm message from the Banyumas Regency government were successfully delivered to all citizens and the congregation.
It's not just about the opening ceremony, there are also many exciting door prizes for the fun walk participant. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from One Student Voice and we are honored to be here with Mr. Haji Hambali. Thank you, sir, for being with us during this historic grand opening. Sir, after all the hard work and a long journey of construction, how do you feel seeing this mosque finally being inaugurated today?
Bapak, setelah melalui proses pembangunan yang panjang dan kerja keras selama ini, bagaimana perasaan Bapak melihat masjid ini akhirnya diresmikan pada hari ini?
Saya yang ngurusi pembangunan ini merasa terharu dan senang dan bersyukur kepada Allah karena setiap harinya saya bisa sholat di masjid dan tidak memerlukan transportasi karena hanya menyeberang dari rumah ke masjid ini. Dan bersyukur sekali gitu loh.
What were the biggest challenge the community faced during the construction process of Al-Haq Mosque?
Apa tantangan terbesar yang dihadapi panitia selama proses pembangunan Masjid Al-Haq ini?
Yang dihadapi oleh panitia karena panitianya juga hanya saya, tidak ada kendala apa-apa. Dan semua apa yang mau dikerjakan oleh karyawan ataupun tukang-tukangnya itu semuanya lancar.
What is your message for the donors and everyone who contributed to the building of this mosque?
Apa pesan yang ingin Bapak sampaikan kepada para donatur dan semua pihak yang telah berkontribusi dalam pembangunan masjid ini?
Ya, dan alhamdulillah masjid ini dibangun tanpa donatur dari orang-orang, kecuali yang memberi donatur itu hanya satu orang, yaitu Bapak Dr. Haji Prianto Budi Saptono. Dan dia tidak, ya katakanlah hanya itu donaturnya. Tapi kalau ada orang yang memberi atau memberikan sesuatu ke bangunan ini, saya terima gitu.
Thank you for your dedication and for sharing with us today, sir.
Terima kasih banyak Bapak.
Ya, sama-sama, mudah-mudahan bermanfaat. Amin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from One Student Voice and we would like to thank you for your time to be interviewed during this grand opening of Al-Haq Mosque. Sir, what are your feelings and hopes regarding the inauguration of Al-Haq Mosque?
Okay, I am very happy for this inauguration event, yeah, because it's the name of Al-Haq Mosque, yeah. It is very strategic and very beautiful and very amazing. It is not usual mosque, but this is unusual mosque. Why? Because the shape and the accessories, yeah, it very interesting and interested the person and also the children. They are also very happy to stay in this mosque and they like to stay here, they like to study here, they like to read something, the literacy space and fun work in this mosque here.
And then, what is the significance of Al-Haq Mosque for the Muhammadiyah organization in South Purwokerto area?
Yeah, Muhammadiyah in South Purwokerto, although it is not a big organization, but it is rather small. But the personal, yeah, the personal or the leaders and the volunteer of Muhammadiyah in South Purwokerto, they are very diligent and they are very smart and they are very active. Yeah, although not many people, it's only it's not maybe not more than 1,000 people, and but we have many branches here, maybe about 5 or 6 branches in South Purwokerto. That's why.
In your opinion, what role can one student play through the existence of this mosque?
According to my opinion, the student maybe SMP Muhammadiyah 1, SMK Muhammadiyah 3, and kindergarten, yeah, in Purwokerto Kulon are very good and very excellent, and they are very active to visit this mosque, maybe to study and also uh, to to improve the literacy. Yeah.
What is your message for the young generation of Muhammadiyah so they can continue to love the mosque?
Okay, I hope, yeah, like you are and other people, young generation, we hope, yeah, to be study hard, to work hard, and to explore the talent and also the experience that we hope you and your friends, the young generation, will be leader at the future. Yeah, because the future lies by the young. Yeah, or we can also Rijalul Yaum, Subbanul Yaum, Rijalul Ghad. Yeah. Now you are young, but next time you will be elder. Okay.
Lastly, what are your future hopes for Al-Haq Mosque and the Muhammadiyah community?
Pardon
in
me.
South- What are your future hopes for Al-Haq Mosque and the Muhammadiyah community in South Purwokerto?
Yeah, we hope to Muhammadiyah community in South Purwokerto especially to improve this mosque and also to collaborate, yeah, to collaborate with the government and other community in South Purwokerto, and then Muhammadiyah in the future will be more modern, more progress, more improve. Okay,
Thank you, sir, for your time. And
thank you very much. See you later next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi. Thank you, sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We would like to thank to the expert staff, to the region for community and welfare, Sir Arif Trianto, SOS MN. Sir, what is your response to the inauguration of Al-Haq Mosque here in South Purwokerto?
Bapak, bagaimana tanggapan Bapak atas diresmikannya Masjid Al-Haq di Purwokerto Selatan ini?
Ya, makasih ya Dek. Jadi peresmian masjid ini semestinya menjadi sebuah kebahagiaan kita bersama. Karena ini yang sepanjang saya tahu ini adalah integrated masjid. Masjid yang terintegrasi. Di sini adalah ada masjidnya, ada pusat kegiatannya, ada pusat edukasinya. Jadi ini sebuah kebanggaan bagi kita, wabil khusus masyarakat Muslim, bahwa ini konsep yang terintegrated, di mana nanti tentunya menjawab apa yang diminta oleh umat.
In your opinion, what is the role of the mosque in building a religious and noble community in Banyumas?
Menurut Bapak, apa peran masjid dalam membangun masyarakat Banyumas yang religius dan berakhlak?
Masjid sebagai sebuah pusat, baik pusat ibadah maupun pusat pendidikan akhlak. Karena apa? Tidak hanya masjid kita bicara tentang ketuhanan, tetapi juga harus kemasyarakatan. Hablum minanas, hablum minallah. Ada serambi untuk belajar, ada dalam untuk kita beriktikaf. Nah ini jadi pendapat saya adalah masjid adalah sebagai pusat kegiatan, tidak hanya ibadah tapi juga peningkatan.
What is your message for Muan student so they can help and live and take care of the mosque?
Apa pesan Bapak kepada pelajar SMP Muhammadiyah agar bisa ikut memakmurkan masjid?
Pesan saya kepada adik-adik SMP Muhammadiyah, memakmurkan masjid tidak hanya meramaikan saja, tetapi bagaimana kita memanfaatkan apa yang ada di masjid. Contoh tadi di sini ada tempat edukasi, bagaimana kemudian kita belajar, apalagi teknologi sekarang. Hati-hati adik-adik dengan AI. Nah, jangan sampai kemudian kita maju di teknologi tapi mundur di akhlak. Masjid inilah memadukan kita belajar teknologi dan belajar akhlak.
How does the Banyumas Regency government support religious activities like this?
Bagaimana dukungan pemerintah Kabupaten Banyumas terhadap kegiatan keagamaan seperti ini?
Ya, seperti tadi sampaikan Pak Bupati, bahwa Banyumas khususnya untuk dukungan terhadap religi itu di atas segala. Karena apa? Bangunan utama masyarakat itu dari religi dan dari pendidikan.
Furthermore, what are your future hopes for Al-Haq Mosque and the people of South Purwokerto?
Selanjutnya, bagaimana harapan Bapak ke depan untuk Masjid Al-Haq dan masyarakat Purwokerto Selatan?
Tadi pada saat saya datang, saya kagum terhadap masjid ini. Ini bukan arsitek yang pada umumnya, sehingga saya pesan kepada masyarakat Purwokerto Selatan, apa yang sudah disampaikan oleh wakif gitu ya, betul-betul dimanfaatkan. Masjid tidak hanya sebagai tempat untuk kita beribadah, tetapi juga untuk belajar. Di sini ada tempat edukasi, ada tempat berorganisasi dan sebagainya. Nah, jadikan ini sebagai pijakan awal, karena saya berharap ini bisa ditiru di kecamatan yang lain.
Baik, terima kasih Bapak. Thank for your time and the very inspiring message.
You're welcome.
The event started at 5:30 a.m. with the fun walk. Look at the smiles. Everyone is so enthusiastic to join this healthy activity.
And now, we are at the main event, the official inauguration of Al-Haq Mosque. This mosque will be the new center for worship and Islamic activities in this area.
Alhamdulillah, the whole event went smoothly and full of blessings. For those who want to support Al-Haq Mosque program, don't forget to check the link in our bio. I am Farha Faiza Baroh and I am Freya Filona and the team one of reporting. See you in the next report. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.